Yung kay Moy Reyes.
Sabay ba yung sili dito? Ha?
Anak niyo?
Barbecue? Banana.
That's good.
You're right.
What's it? Is it just salted or is
Salt,
there?
yeah.
Okay.
Years old?
More than.
We gotta take you to the redwoods, my friend.
Isa ko na yung yun na yung assault.
Sinabi ni Sir doon na ano.
Ito na yung pinakamahirap.
Yes po.
Okay.
Yeah, just a little bit is fine. Good. That's more than enough.
But you know Filipino words? Ay, grabe yun. Yung daan po sa kubo ito. Saan tayo magkakan?
Saan yung tuktok? Which one?
Bakit isa?
Ano? Kaya mo pa?
Ha?
Kaya mo? Kaya pa?
Paano naman yung luya?